everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am here doing a review of this diaper bag, or it's actually not a diaper bag, it's from the 12 Little company, and this is their mini backpack for kids, and I just call it a diaper bag because that's what I'm using it for today. And I am gonna compare it because you're probably thinking about the mini bee from Jujubee, and it is actually the same size, the same height. The only difference is the internal organization and the front pocket. This one is just has this front long pocket, and then the inside of the mini bee just has a zipper compartment right here, and it's empty in the inside. And this one had so much organization that is pretty nice, and the price is only $49. You can buy it in Amazon and get it if you're like a Prime member. You will get it in 2 business days, and it's pretty cool. I do recommend you to look at this bag. It's only $49 like I mentioned before, and it comes in 2 different colors, or 3 different colors. It comes in this light pink, it comes in hot pink, and then a leopard print. Let me just show you this front pocket that is like the mommy pocket. That's what I'm using it for. It's absolutely amazing because it's pretty big and nice. Let me just show it to you. And it's deep, so you can put a lot of stuff in there. I actually just have my sunglasses here, my wallet, just a mirror, my car keys, and a pen. And I don't know where my chapstick is, but normally I put my chapstick in there as well. The side pockets are insulated, so whatever you put in there is gonna stay warm or cold. I'm not sure for how long, I haven't tested, but I have my bottled water here. And this is how the bottle pockets look. And then on this side, I just have my hand sanitizer. And then the back of this diaper bag has a handle here. And then the backpack straps are padded, but then this is actually just plastic, so it might break. That's why probably the price is really low. And then let's see, I know this fabric is water resistant, so in case it rains, nothing inside is gonna get wet. I forgot to mention, I usually have my passy pot here with some pacifiers. I usually just put 1 or 2, depends on what I'm doing. And then inside, the zippers are pretty nice and thick, so it's really easy to open up, and it has 2 zippers. I have here the large set from Jujubee, a medium set, a blanket, and I have a teething toy that is Sophie the giraffe. In this pocket, it has like 2 pockets here, and then in the next pocket I just have like a small set with a bunch of things. I have shampoo in case I want to give him a bath in my mom's house. I have some creams, some band-aids, like a med kit kind of thing in here, and it just fits perfect in this pocket at the front. And then I have in the medium set, I just carry a bunch of snacks for him and food. I have so much. I have these apple pear baby rice from Ella's Kitchen, and then I have Cheetos. I have these ones are his favorites, like Happy Baby organic creamies. I have some thin wafers, and I have some puffs in here. And that's it. So on this large set, I have the diaper essentials. I just carry 3 size 5 diapers. I carry a coin purse with like garbage bags, pretty much, the light changing pad, and then a Desi. And then I carry also, or I always pack a blanket, like a swaddle blanket, because he loves to take let's say naps, and he needs a blanket to fall asleep. And then I have wipes in the back on a mesh pocket, and this is a case and a project I'm working on, and I will tell you more about it soon in my channel. Okay, so this is it for this bag. You just have a mesh pocket here in the back, You have this window to put your information or the information of your kid, and you have 2 pockets here, long pockets. That, let me see if the medium set will fit in there. In case you're thinking about putting 2 medium sets, they do fit. They're a little bit tight, but they do fit in there. So you can put 2 medium sets, or you can put the small sets like I had them, and they do fit pretty nice in there. And the front pocket here, and then the 2 side pockets on the side. Let me know what you think about this diaper bag. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!